Passionate. Adjective. Neutral, objective. Synonyms: calm, impartial. Antonyms: emotional, biased. Disseminating. Verb. Circulating, broadcasting. Synonyms: spreading, distributing. Antonyms: suppressing, withholding. Diurnal. Adjective. Active in daytime. Synonyms: daily, daytime. Antonyms: nocturnal, nightly. Divert. Verb. 1. Entertain. 2. Distract. 3. Cause detour. Synonyms: amuse, redirect. Antonyms: bore, maintain. Docile. Adjective. Gentle, easily led. Synonyms: obedient, submissive. Antonyms: stubborn, defiant. Dogmatic. Adjective. Stubbornly held opinions. Synonyms: rigid, opinionated. Antonyms: flexible, open-minded. Dolt. Noun. Stupid person. Synonyms: fool, idiot. Antonyms: genius, wise man. Eclectic. Adjective. Taking from different sources. Synonyms: diverse, varied. Antonyms: narrow, limited. Edifice. Noun. Building, structure. Synonyms: construction, monument. Antonyms: ruin, destruction. Efface. Verb. Wipe out, remove. Synonyms: erase, obliterate. Antonyms: retain, preserve. Effigy. Noun. Model of a person. Synonyms: statue, likeness. Antonyms: no direct opposite. Effusive. Adjective. Gushing, demonstrative. Synonyms: enthusiastic, lavish. Antonyms: reserved, restrained. Egalitarianism. Belief in equality. Synonyms: equality, fairness. Antonyms: inequality, hierarchy. Egregious. Adjective. Obviously bad. Synonyms: shocking, outrageous. Antonyms: excellent, good. Egress. Noun. Exit. Synonyms: departure, way out. Antonyms: entrance, entry. Eloquent. Adjective. Fluent, persuasive speech. Synonyms: articulate, expressive. Antonyms: inarticulate, mute. Elucidate. Verb. Make clear. Synonyms: explain, clarify. Antonyms: confuse, obscure. Elusive. Adjective. Hard to pin down. Synonyms: evasive, slippery. Antonyms: clear, definite. Emaciated. Adjective. Very thin, withered. Synonyms: gaunt, skeletal. Antonyms: healthy, robust. Emancipate. Verb. Set free. Synonyms: liberate, release. Antonyms: enslave, confine. Embezzle. Verb. Defraud, steal. Synonyms: misappropriate, steal. Antonyms: return, compensate. Embroil. Verb. Involve in hostility. Synonyms: entangle, involve. Antonyms: disengage, separate. Emerge. Verb. Come out, appear. Synonyms: arise, surface. Antonyms: disappear, vanish. Emulate. Verb. Imitate something admired. Synonyms, imitate, copy. Antonyms, neglect, ignore. Endorse. Verb. Support, approve. Synonyms, recommend, advocate. Antonyms, oppose, reject. Endurance. Noun. Staying power, stamina. Synonyms, perseverance, resilience. Antonyms, weakness, fragility. Enduring. Adjective. Lasting. Synonyms, persistent, permanent. Antonyms, temporary, fleeting. Enfranchise. Verb. Give voting rights. Synonyms, empower, authorize. Antonyms, disenfranchise, deprive. Engender. Verb. Cause. Synonyms, generate, produce. Antonyms, prevent, stop. Enhance. Verb. Improve, make better. Synonyms, boost, strengthen. Antonyms, diminish, weaken. Enigma. Noun. Puzzle, mystery. Synonyms, riddle, mystery. Antonyms, solution, clarity. Ensconce. Verb. Establish firmly. Synonyms, settle, install. Antonyms, displace, uproot. Enshroud. Verb. Cover. Synonyms, conceal, hide. Antonyms, reveal, expose. Enunciation. Noun. Clear pronunciation. Synonyms, articulation, pronunciation. Antonyms, mumbling, mispronunciation. Envenom. Verb. Cause bitterness. Synonyms, embitter, poison. Antonyms, soothe, heal. Ephemeral. Adjective. Short-lived. Synonyms, fleeting, temporary. Antonyms, lasting, permanent. Epicure. Noun. Someone who appreciates good food and drink. Synonyms, gourmet, connoisseur. Antonyms, ascetic, indifferent. Epistle. Noun. A letter, form of communication. Synonyms, letter, message. Antonyms, silence, speech. Epistolary. Adjective. Concerned with letters, correspondence. Synonyms, written, documentary. Antonyms, oral, spoken. Epitomized. Verb. Typified, personified. Synonyms, exemplified, symbolized. Antonyms, obscured, misrepresented. Err. Verb. Make a mistake. Synonyms, blunder, miscalculate. Antonyms, succeed, correct. Erratic. Adjective. Wandering, irregular. Synonyms, unpredictable, inconsistent. Antonyms, consistent, regular. Esoteric. Adjective. Obscure, difficult to understand. Synonyms, abstruse, cryptic. Antonyms, clear, obvious. Espouse. Verb. Promote, support. Synonyms, advocate, adopt. Antonyms, oppose, reject. Etymology. Noun. Study of word origins. Synonyms, word history, linguistics. Antonyms, no direct opposite. Eulogy. Noun. Praise. Synonyms, commendation, tribute. Antonyms, criticism, blame. Euphemism. Noun. Polite phrase to cover unpleasant. Synonyms, mild expression, substitute. Antonyms, bluntness, directness. euphony. Noun. Pleasant sounds. Synonyms, melody, harmony. Antonyms, cacophony, discord. Evacuate. Verb. Vacate, abandon. Synonyms, empty, withdraw. Antonyms, occupy, remain. Exacerbate. Verb. Make worse. Synonyms, aggravate, intensify. Antonyms, improve, alleviate.